Good morning and welcome back to my channel, ISX Journey. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the clunk. So I don't know if it's ever happened to you. You're parking on my driveway. It's actually a slight incline. It's about 20 degrees incline. And every time I try to park my car, it will give me this awful clunk once I hit the parking mode. So I found out the way to prevent that is to, first of all, let me show you. I'm going to turn the car on to drive. There we go. All right. So it's in drive right now. And usually what happens is if I take my foot off the brake, of course I have an auto hold on, it's going to stay still. And then when I press on park, it'll make this clunking noise. See if we'll do it today. All right, it didn't do it today. But anyways, when that happens, the first thing you need to do, all right, I'm gonna put my car to drive again. All right. First thing you want to do is you want to press the brake pedal firmly. All right. And then you hit park. And that usually takes care of that loud clunking noise, especially if you're parking on incline. Anyways, that was just a quick quick tip of the day. Hope you're liking my channel. Like I said, like and subscribe, and y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.